All right. Hello. Happy hump day. So we are getting close to the end of August. Today is August 11th. So I'm going to go over some weekly market statistics. That's the goal, is to go live or at least put out a video once a week where we can just take a look at the changes. And then once a month, we'll look at those monthly numbers as well. So we do have a glimpse of those August numbers. They're not the final numbers, as homes that sell today, they can still be reported into the MLS, I think, for about 4 or 5 days. So next week we'll grab the actual final August numbers, but there probably shouldn't be too much, changes or too big of a change between now and then. So, all right, well, let's get right into it. So I've pulled up my numbers from last week and I've marked them down. So I just want to kind of highlight these things and look at the changes. So these are directly from the MLS. I just grabbed the overall number of active properties on the market. So currently today there is 9,695 homes. So comparing that to last week, we saw 9,590 homes. So the number of homes went up this week by 93. So we're pushing that 10,000 mark. We're not quite there yet, but we did add, 93 more homes this week. Again, on the weekends, I always think there's more homes that are active on the weekends. Stuff tends to sell and go under contract on Monday and Tuesday and stuff like that. So median home price. So this week, $589,000, where last week was $589,945. So it only dropped $945 for the median home price. So not too big of a change there. Average days on market, we did see that go up. So it went up by 1 day. And this is for all homes in the state of Utah that are listed on the Wasatch Front MLS. So there you go. That's the change in the bigger market. I also like to just focus in on homes along the Wasatch Front. So you can see here my search criteria. We're looking at Weber County, Davis County, Salt Lake, and Utah again. So just the Wasatch Front. And then I excluded any home over 1.5, well, technically 1.5 million and above. So kind of gives us more specific number for the average home buyer. So let's take a look at those numbers. So in that price range and in those counties, we have 6,154 homes. So looking at last week, we had 6,115. So that went up by 39. Not too big of a change there. Home price, median home price on these, again, these are active homes that are listed on the MLS. They are currently $551,000. Last week was $559,900. So we actually saw a change, a drop of $8,900. I know when you woke up this morning, you said, "Hey, I think I feel $9,000." What? I feel like I lost $9,000, right? So homes aren't changing too much. Wait till I get to the next slide here, and we'll actually see what they've done over the last few months. So not too much. In a week, down by 9,000, and then median days on market, it was 37 last Wednesday when we looked at it. Today it's 40, so that increased by 3 days. So that's pretty significant, when we're looking at days on market. So stuff is sitting. That days on market count is just creeping up. So 40 for homes along the Wasatch Front, price below 1.5 million. Okay. I got one more page to look at. So this one's interesting. This is based off of monthly numbers. So all those were real time, right now in the market, this is what they are. And this one is kind of historical data. As stuff will come in over the next few days, like I said, it'll finalize the August 2022 numbers. But for now, this is a glimpse of what it's going to be. So in August, we saw 3,214 homes closed so far, with that average, I'm sorry, I'm saying average, but it's median. So the median sold price is $500,670. So not too big of a change. If you look back in July, we lost, I have the exact number, it's about $5,000, right? $4,686. So roughly 1%. Not too big of a change from July to August, what we're seeing so far. Now, looking at this number, the highest home values were, at least sold, going off the sold value, which is, what an appraiser will use. That peak was $540,000 back in May. Today we're at the $500,670. Yeah, it was only $40,000. So that was a drop in $40,000, right? $39,330, or 7.3%. All right, rewind that. So from 540 to 500,000 is 40,000, 39,000, some change. So this is the figure I wrote down. So from August 2021 going up to this month, again, not finalized, but 500,670. So that's still an increase, right, of $45,000, 45,170. That's where I crossed my numbers. So the home value from this year to last year, it still went up 10%. So while we've seen them pull back from 540 to 500,000, while we've seen a decrease in 7%. So sorry, erase what you heard a few minutes ago. So we've seen a decrease in 7.3%, but we're still up year over year 10% from August 2021. So not too bad, right? We're erasing some of those gains that we've had since COVID. There's been some amazing numbers. I know we were averaging, what was it? It was like 18, 20%. I think it even got higher than that if you look at the year over year numbers. So we were seeing some crazy increases. We're just pulling it back a little bit. We're still up 10% for the year. So thanks for joining me on my Facebook Live. I hope you're following me on my business page. It's Jason Coford Realtor. So if you want to get more live weekly updates, be sure to go like and follow that page. I think that's what you do. And I'll also be posting these on YouTube. So you can also search for the YouTube channel, Slick Rock Realty, and you'll be seeing more free content on that platform as well. So thanks so much for joining me today, and have an excellent week.